All right, guys. So let's track our progress now. So for our trading business, as you all know, we have money income skills here. If you still don't have a business or still don't have any ideas what to start, then you can take advantage of our trading business here. I'm teaching it here. So pwede kayong magkapera doon. Once you learn how to do it, we will work hand in hand for that. So let's track our progress for the month of January. And so we are on 2 weeks now, right? So let's check our 2 weeks progress. So our profits. So January 1, 2, that is holiday. So let's start with January 5. Ayan. So as you can see, this is 6 minutes. Average trade time 6 minutes. That's $114. Hindi ko na isasali yung um, cents, guys. Wala na kayo dyan mag-compute niyan. So on January 6, natalo tayo minus $1.48. Sali natin yung cents. Right? That's average 9 minutes. Next is meron tayong panalo na $24. Average time 31 minutes. Right? Next is meron tayong $127. And then sa Friday, nanalo tayo ng $253. Okay? So in that week, meron tayong $516. So that's like around maybe $29,000, $30,000. I mean, pesos. Sorry. So pagka next week, meron tayong panalo na $400. 404. And then after that, panalo tayo ng $103. And then the next one is panalo tayo ng $71. And then dito parang talo tayo. Yes, talo tayo ng $267.42. So, and then after that, Friday, nanalo tayo ng $159. Okay? So that is on my one account. My other account, let's check our other account. So, nag-start ako mag-trade dito around this week lang. Mahirap maraming account, guys. So meron tayong $117 dito. Next day is meron tayong $57. And the next one is $48. And then next one is $5 ang panalo. So 8 minutes lang. No? So average tayo ng 30 to 40 minutes. Dito na mga trades. You can see, ayan o. So dito panalo tayo ng $92. And yeah, that's it. So in total that week, panalo tayo ng $1,305. Sali ko na yung account ng wife ko. So ayan, this is my wife's account. So let's check on starting 5th. Ayan, panalo tayo ng $85. Ayan, plus $51. On the 7th, plus $39. On the 8th, minus $24.70. Ayan. So, on Friday, panalo tayo ng $13 lang. Thank you, Lord. And then, on the 12th, panalo tayo ng $196. You can see average time, 18 to 30 minutes per day. Yan, dito, talo tayo ng $51.72. Dito naman, panalo ulit tayo ng $71. Ito na sinasali yung cents, guys. On the next day, panalo ulit ng $50. And then on this one, $79. So in total, meron tayong $1,812 for the last 2 weeks, averaging time na 30 minutes per day. Kung ipipeso natin yan, convert natin sa peso, that's 106,948 pesos, guys. So that's in 2 weeks. You can earn this, but what we are aiming for here is less effort but exponential result. So as you can see, we are averaging 30 minutes for this one. So per day and 30 to 40 minutes per day, and yung iba nakukuha nila to in a month, spending 8 hours a day, di ba? No wrong thing with that. Pero again, you are practicing um, this spirituality here, guys, wherein you don't have to do more. Less is actually more. Doing less with exponential result, that's our main goal on this circle. Okay, so go on to the videos. Please put an effort kasi if you can put effort on things na it won't add value on your end, no, why not put some more effort? Mas maging focus pa tayo and mas galingan pa natin, right? And yeah, soon you will be moving on to the next videos and you will be learning this also, right? So once you learn the skill, then that's the time that results will follow. Once you learn what skill is that, it's the skill of knowing you and um, knowing your true nature, your true self. That's the first skill. This won't be possible if I just focus on money and I did not focus on my internal um, truth. Okay? So see you on the next videos, guys.